welcome back for another Microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to harvest your Waltham 29 broccoli, or just broccoli. And one of the things that we absolutely love about broccoli is it tastes amazing and its anti-cancer properties that have been studied and proven by Johns Hopkins. And those anti-cancer properties are found in the cruciferous vegetable family, which is right where broccoli falls under. So, what I'm using is Rainbow Heirlooms broccoli seeds. I can put a link in the description below for these. I've been having a really good harvest to yield with this brand. I have my knife, and a machete works great, but if you have any kind of kitchen knife or just anything sharp with a straight edge that's kind of long, that's going to work great. You really don't want to use any kind of scissors unless you're working with wheatgrass. Here I have the colander to my salad spinner, my scale so I know how much I got out of my tray, and my broccoli. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright. So when you go to harvest, you're just going to slightly grab at the top and give it kind of a very, very gentle tug. Not like you're trying to pull it out, just like you're trying to hold it up so that you can glide the knife towards you with a couple slides. And just like that, you get a nice clean cut. And we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. And where you're cutting is just a few inches above the soil. Broccoli is already kind of a tiny microgreen, and it doesn't grow super tall, so I would say maybe at least 2 to 3 inches above the soil, just to make sure that you're staying away from all the soil. And then you still have quite a good amount of stem to leaf. The medium that I used to plant the broccoli is coconut coir. One of the really great advantages to coconut coir is that it's got an amazing aeration to water retention combo. That's kind of rare to find among soil mediums. Another reason we like to use it is because all peat moss comes from bogs that only cover about 2% of the planet Earth. So we actually have to take from the earth to get the peat moss, and the cocoa coir is made from coconut husks, so it's a plant renewable resource. And from that I got 7.75 ounces, so just a little around a half a pound. This tray right here, I can go ahead and give it water now and put it back onto the shelf and see whatever their broccoli will come back, and then I can finish fully getting the full harvest out of this. Alright, now for the next step, I'm gonna go rinse this and come right back. Here's our broccoli. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the salad spinner. Spin it for a good 30 seconds to a minute. All that water out. So now all we have to do is dry our microgreens, and they're ready for storage. Whether you're going to be eating them yourself or giving them to a friend, whatever you're going to do with your microgreens, first things first, after your rinse, next you're going to dry. Alright, here's my broccoli yield ready to dry. The fastest way to do this, now that you have it all laid out and spread out, is to just take a fan. Any fan will do. anywhere you want to set it up, and just have this blow on it for a few minutes, and it's going to be ready to go into your clamshell or your plastic bag or Tupperware, however you're going to be storing it. All right, please like and subscribe if you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.